Elephants are the largest animals on land. They have very big ears, long trunks, and thick gray skin. Elephants use their trunks for many things. They use them to drink water, pick up food, and even to hold things like branches or toys. Baby elephants are called calves. When they are born, they are already very big. A baby elephant can weigh more than 100 kilograms. Elephants love to eat plants, like grass, leaves, and fruits. They eat a lot of food and can spend most of the day eating, sometimes for 16 hours. Elephants are also very smart animals. They can remember people, places, and other elephants for a long time. They live in groups with their families and stay close to each other. Elephants help each other and protect the babies in the group. They are known to be gentle and kind. They are some of the most loved animals in the world.